Hi, I'm Pip the Parrot. I'll be your guide on the Phonemic Fun video series. Today, I will be asking you to change words and to practice your reading skills. Do the exercise that matches your answer. Have fun. Hop. Now instead of ah, say it. Sun. Now instead of say I. Tip. Now instead of I, say ah. Fan. Now instead of say Net. Now instead of say Mop. Now instead of say ah. Mini game. Dog and cat are racing to see who is faster. Pick who you think will win by doing that dance. Kid. Now instead of say ah. Bug. Now instead of say ah. Pet. Now instead of say ah. Fit. Now instead of say ah. Rip. Now instead of say ah. Hen. Now instead of say Subscribe to my channel for access to all of these video series and much, much more.
Brain break it. can search